Good morning. How are you, friends? I got Oliver to stay on here because he likes to be all up on my computer, walk all over my keyboard, and how do I get anything done? Good job cleaning yourself, little buddy. I got this thermal heated cat bed thingy. He doesn't like the round one that Sunrise and Charlie liked, and he doesn't like the little couch that let me just show you the couch. You know that couch right there? He doesn't like that. And I wish he would. It's so comfy and soft. Hello, friends. Oliver is having the best time ever. You know how I leave food for squirrels? Well, the turkey said it's mine now. Good luck, turkeys. It's about to be Thanksgiving. I'm gonna pray for all of you guys. So today I made chicken pork adobo in my crock pot. I've been doing this for 12 years or so. And Justin's gonna be my taste tester. So yeah, check it out on the gram because I have it there. And I did the ginormous peppercorns because if you don't bite into that, that's not real authentic adobo. And this is my mommy's adobo kind of version. It has onions, and typically adobo doesn't, but my mom did onions and potatoes. I didn't have potatoes though, but I hope you still like the recipe. Yeah, I will link it down below. Hello, friends. Good morning. We took the boys to school, and then Justin and we were supposed to have a little walking date because I don't work out today, but it started raining really hard, so we did not have a walking date, but that's okay. Am I gonna work out? Heck no. I'm sorry, but working out at home is not for me. I realize I need to train myself though, because if it's snowing hard, and I don't know if I'll want to go to the gym, you know what I mean? I don't know. I still have my body pump equipment, and girl, you know how I was supposed to train for the 5K for my niece? I haven't. I only did a couple of times, and then I got the Rona, and then Justin and Jacob got sick, and I didn't work out at home. And I mean, I still work out at the gym, but it's no way close to training for running. It's strength, what's it called, lifting and stuff. So we'll see. But Sophia did her practice run, and she did a 5K. And she said that she was walking and running. So I don't really think I need to train for that because I can walk and run and walk and run and I'll be fine. We are headed out tonight. We're going to go see Sharon and Aunt Nancy perform. They're part of a choir and they're going to sing. I hope I can film some because I want to hear it. I want you guys to hear them too. I heard they're really good. Workout, and yeah, Sharon and Aunt Nancy's choir was so incredible. And there was a little boy, he's 11, he sang so good, but I can't show his face, but if I can, I'd like to show a little bit of his singing because it was incredible. The hottest of the hottest boys say, oh, we got both feet on the ground and we're burning it down. This boy is on fire. routine. The kids went to bed a lot later than usual, like 2 hours later than their bedtime for the, you know, the choir concert. So I thought Jacob woke up already while I was getting ready, because he always wakes up by like 6:30 at least, and he didn't. And I waited till 7 to wake him up, and he was fine. Hello friends, my baby's helping me cook some dinner. We're making pansit with some chicken. I don't have pork. I used all the pork for the adobo I made the other day. Good job. Jakey's working on the celery. Yeah. And we're trying Panlasang Pinoy's pansit recipe.
Should I cut off this thing?
Yes, please. Yeah. I wish I had my Auntie Cisa's pansit. To this day, it is literally the best pansit I've ever had in my entire life. But then, like, when you ask the aunties, they're like legit cooks. They don't measure. It's all by like taste. It's, oh, just add this, add that, this, and that.
What should I do with this?
We can throw it away. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Ollie's like, how about me? No, Ollie. Oh, Ollie is. We really getting to know his personality. It's giving very much Charlie, right, Jakey? He acts like Charlie. It's really weird.
Yeah.
He's very rambunctious. Oh gosh, he's over there pulling on one of my apron strings. The little tie. Oh, Ollie. I caught you there, Ollie. I did, Bubba. So you see that string? That's part of my apron. Look at this beautiful gift. I'm gonna hold it like this so I can chat and you don't have to hear all of it. But look, we got it from our cat sitter from California. She's known our cats since we moved to the Bay Area, and she's taking care of Sunrise, Charlie, and Mr. Bob. And we let her know that Charlie also passed away like 7 months after Sunrise. And she was really sad because she loved the cats. Like, she was our cat sitter that every holiday she would make gifts for the cats. Like one year she gave us like Christmas ornaments with their faces on it. Like, she printed out photos of them. She really loves them. Like she told us, she's like, you guys are like part of my family and I love her. And she gave this, and it's custom, like I showed you guys. But how special. And you want to know something so funny? We put it down over there where the squirrels eat. Tell me why Oliver loves it. He just be like in the morning making music for us. It's so beautiful. Just wanted to share. Anyways, let me go work on the rest of the pansit. I gotta show you. I made pansit! And it tastes really good. I wish I had shrimp. I would have added shrimp. But oh my gosh, like, I tasted it already. I love it. So thank you to Panlasang Pinoy for dinner. Crazy, I still feel very much off. And I've been on my off medication for a while now. Oh, look at Ollie. He's here. He was making biscuits on me. Hi, Ollie. I love you. Thanks for spending time with me. I really don't know what Ollie is doing to me, but he's... Stop eating my hair, please. This is not fun. It hurts. And then when I try to run away, he like catches my scalp and scratches it and pulls me back. Please, let it go. Let the stray hair go, dude. I'm not for playing right now. Ollie looks like he's in trouble. Hey, Ollie, what you doing? Messing with my hair? You look so guilty. Look at that face. Okay. My hair is wet because I had just washed it, dude. Good morning, my friends. How are you? I went and got my Botox. You can see it where it got done. And then I wanted to try something new, so we did an eyebrow lift. I don't think I'll notice the results until like 2 weeks, but like that. I'm so excited. Do I need it? No, I don't. I only needed the masseters, but I wanted to do a little something now that I'm 40. I feel like my crash out started, yeah, right at 40. Things started changing, the perimenopause, all of that. No one needs this. Let me be loud and clear. I just wanted it. Except for the masseters I needed, but the lift, I just asked for it and I wanted it and I asked what I could do. And the nurse is so nice. Her name is Kelsey. She's so nice, and she only recommends things based on need. She says I didn't need on the forehead, you know, like the full forehead situation. So we doing a little lift like this. I was doing a cheesecake bite baking video, and then I checked the time. I also have a timer that goes off to remind me every day to go pick up Jacob. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then my taste tester Justin will try out my yummy cheesecake bites later. I mean, I made this. Like, what I'm doing right now is recreating my old videos from Cook with April to short form in like a newer version. Cause oh, I looked at myself from I mean, I'm sure I'll look back at myself like in this year and be like, oh, why'd you do your makeup like that? Or why do you have so many lashes on? What was that? I have no clue, but for now, I'm okay with it. Hello, friends. How are you? We got Andale. It's one of our favorite Mexican restaurants. We've tried. Oh my God, there was one when we went to the pumpkin. Pumpkin. No. Apple picking. There was one on the way. That place is incredible too. But Andale has my heart also. So yeah, we're having this for lunch.
And there's Taco Libre too.
Oh, Taco Libre was pretty good
Libre.
too. Yeah, I like Taco Libre. But I didn't like it when we went to the game.
That was terrible.
Yeah.
They had one at the Twin Stadium and it was like
no, it wasn't the same as the location. Yeah, anyways, I brought my cheesecake bites to my gym buddies and mainly the trainer. Yeah, and then yeah, I went home. I met a new workout buddy. She joined the gym and she's training with us. So hopefully I see her again. She was really nice. Anyways, just wanted to share my highlight. My highlight was going to Sharon and Aunt Nancy's concert. Like, it was amazing. And I just loved it. Like, I was dancing and standing up and singing along. The vibes were amazing. I love that they played Al Green. I love his music. They played Let's Stay Together. And I was like, oh my God, that's like one of my favorite songs ever. So that was incredible. And it was just nice. Like, the kids stayed up late to watch Bubby and Aunt Nancy. I got to sit with Sophia. Uncle Brad went. Of course, Saba went to support his beautiful wife. But yeah, it was lovely. I want to go back. I like that area a lot. And there was this kid. Oh my gosh, he was so good. 11-year-old boy who could sing Alicia Keys. He hit all the notes. It was incredible. Anyways, just wanted to say that, and I will see you in the next vlog. If I'm not posting as much here, it's because I'm gonna start taking a course on how to do short form videos. It's called Cut 30, and I have to like really focus on like teaching myself and training myself to edit better and to do better reels and short form videos. So please follow me on Instagram and TikTok because that's where I am a lot, especially Instagram. I'm always there in stories. So if you want like daily vlogs but story form, I'm there. My name's April Athena 7. Please follow me there. And yeah, I'm not saying I'm going to be missing here because I never do. Like, how many years have I been here? I've never been gone. But yeah, just wanted to share if I'm not like posting like 5 days a week like I was going crazy for a while. It's because I'm there for a minute trying to learn how to improve, because I think it's so important to improve no matter what job you have. Yeah. Anyways, bye friends.